Hello. Today, we're exploring the iGarden Pool Cleaner K Pro with 15-hour runtime, a top-tier cordless robotic pool vacuum designed for effortless cleaning of in-ground pools. If you're tired of spending hours scrubbing or manually vacuuming your pool, this advanced cleaner transforms pool maintenance into a fully automated, stress-free experience. The upgraded 15-hour runtime ensures even the largest pools are thoroughly cleaned in one session, reducing the need for multiple runs. Its smart navigation system intelligently maps your pool, efficiently maneuvering around walls, corners, ladders, and obstacles for maximum coverage. The touchscreen interface makes operation simple. Choose cleaning modes, schedule automated sessions, or check battery levels in a few taps. With 200% turbo suction, the K Pro easily lifts stubborn debris, leaves, sand, and fine dirt that traditional cleaners often miss. Its ultrafine filtration system captures even microscopic particles, maintaining crystal clear water and minimizing chemical use. Cleaning the filter is effortless. Just remove, rinse, and reinsert. The auto parking feature adds convenience, returning the cleaner to its dock when finished, ready for the next cycle. Designed for both small and large in-ground pools, the K Pro adapts seamlessly, delivering professional-grade cleaning with minimal effort. Safety and efficiency are built in, giving you peace of mind while keeping your pool sparkling. If you want to save time, energy, and money while enjoying a pristine pool, the iGarden Pool Cleaner K Pro 15H Runtime is the perfect solution. Click the Amazon link below to get yours today, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart tech reviews that make home and garden life easier.